Hi kids!
Welcome to Bubble Baby. Today, we're going to learn colors with some happy little flowers.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Here is a blue flower.
But its pot is still white. Can you help us find the blue pot?
Great job!
That's the blue pot. Blue and blue. They match.
Look at this yellow flower.
Let's find its pot. Yes, yellow flower in a yellow pot. You're so smart. Now it's the red flower's turn. Can you say red? Wow, you're awesome, kid.
Let's help the orange flower. Great job, kids.
Look at this pink flower. Let's find its pot. Yay! Pink flower found its pink pot. Look at this green flower. Let's find its pot. Wow! Green and green. Perfect match. Purple pot, come here! The purple flower is waiting. Wow, you're awesome, kid. Brown flower loves its brown pot. Can you match the brown pot? Wow, you're awesome, kid. Look, all the flowers are smiling in their colorful pots. You did an amazing job matching the colors. Give yourself a big clap. Let's say the colors together. Blue, yellow, red, orange, pink, green, purple, brown. Thanks for playing with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning with Bubble Baby. Bye-bye!